Small daily accidents are situations that we may encounter at any time in our lives. Especially sometimes, even the small touches we make with our vehicle can cause serious costs. As the EXQ family, we continue to release new products every day to help you prevent these. In this video, we will show you how you can repair the headlight brackets of your vehicle, which usually break after an impact, instead of buying a very expensive or non-original new car headlight. Here you see a headlight whose brackets were broken as a result of a minor accident. We show you how you can repair this headlight, which you would normally have to buy a new one by spending hundreds of euros, with EXQ Headlight Repair Kits. First, cut and clean the broken area as seen in the video. This will ensure that the broken area is compatible with the new headlight bracket. After the cleaning process is completed, remove the EXQ Headlight Repair Kit suitable for your vehicle from its bag. You will find all the parts you need in each bag. Then place the appropriate bracket in its required location. You will see that it will get into position easily. Then all you have to do is screw the new bracket into the body. As you can see, the new bracket fits the body securely. You can easily apply the same process to other brackets. Another method other than screwing is to stick two parts together with the help of a hot surface. You can use this method in the assembly of brackets that are not completely broken or, in rare cases, do not have a screw space. Since EXQ headlight repair kits are produced with the same material as the original headlight, it is very easy for the two parts to stick together. You can then further reinforce the area you want to repair. You can use EXQ plastic welding rods for this. Since our company has various sizes of welding rods and many materials, make sure you choose the right one. Polypropylene, that is, PP, is generally used in headlights. That's it. Now you can continue using your original headlight as if nothing happened. For more information, please remember to visit www.exq.com.tr.